Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin and XRP because some people believe that there is a massive amount of money about to flow into crypto, and specifically XRP from the banks. At least that's what the Ripple team is saying right now. Let's explore this a little bit, see what some of the regulatory leaders around the world right now are taking as a position when it comes to crypto regulation, because that is going to be important as we get into this next bull market. Guys, let's hop right in. If you like the content, smash a like, subscribe to the channel. We are doing 5 videos every single day, and we are doing many giveaways for loyal members and subscribers on the channel, so make sure you tune in. Now, the top trending token right now is XRP, and for good reason with this huge case recently. Bitcoin, very strong around $30,000, but not a lot of volatility on this Monday morning, which is very, very interesting to see. I would have expected maybe a little bit more volatility this morning, but crypto is hanging on and looking like it wants to move up higher. We'll have to see how that plays out throughout the day. But here's the story, guys. Ripple says that U.S. banks will want to use XRP as their cryptocurrency of choice after this partial victory in this SEC fight. Now that it is officially not a security, now that XRP is in the clear with the SEC, at least in the security fight, they are arguing that every bank's going to want to use it. Now, there has been a lot of interest from banks towards this. You can look at all the list of partners and all the banks that are utilizing XRP. There are quite a few, guys, and the hope for XRP holders is that there's going to be quite a lot more coming down the pipeline, especially as this case gets settled, which now this case looks like it's coming to an end, and as the bull market comes and as crypto is just more utilized. Now, we need a couple other things for crypto to be utilized across the globe. We need world powers, world leaders. We need banks to get on board. And if the banks get on board, apparently some people believe they're going to use XRP. But this is huge for crypto overall. G20 body issued 9 regulatory recommendations to rein in the crypto industry. The Financial Stability Board. This is a global body that oversees some of the big pictures when it comes to how they're going to approach regulation in a big way when it comes to banks now, when it comes to crypto. So they're putting in their 2 cents, and you can see some of the quotes here to kind of get an idea of the flavor that's going on. The FSB is taking the view that the crypto markets require further regulation to protect stakeholders and financial stability, rather than the view that regulating crypto confers legitimacy. This is a very interesting statement. Rather than the view that regulating crypto confers legitimacy. Well, it certainly does confer legitimacy when you start to regulate crypto, because you're regulating something because it's going to exist for the long term. So that's true regardless of what the opinion is here. But the FSB taking the view that crypto markets will require further regulation to protect stakeholders and financial stability, that is kind of sounding like what Gary Gensler was trying to say. But I think at the end of the day, this is important too. The crypto community at large was never asking for special treatment with regard to regulation. We were simply asking for the establishment of boundaries similar to those that exist for comparable asset classes, which you could argue that there aren't a lot of comparable asset classes to Bitcoin. Maybe you could say gold is, right? And in that case, you could come up with some ideas for regulatory framework around that. But the point is, guys, is that we just don't have the real rules out here yet. Now, it is good to see that this case kind of gets settled with XRP, where we know it's not security now. Now the G20 body, the FSB, are speaking out and talking about how they're moving forward with crypto regulation. And guys, don't forget that BlackRock, the top asset manager in the world with $9 trillion under management, Vanguard with $8 trillion under management, Fidelity with almost $4 trillion under management, the top 3 asset managers in the world all are getting involved in crypto. BlackRock and Fidelity with the ETF, and Vanguard with the investing in the mining companies, which is awesome to see. It's so interesting, though, because JP Morgan, who should be up here, and I'm not actually seeing them, actually is fudding right now Bitcoin miners, but Vanguard is investing in them. So who's right? Well, I'm going to trust the bigger asset manager, to be honest with you guys, and it's looking pretty good. And these are the kind of things we want to see as the overall market is moving up today. We have 2 monthly candles in a row, 2 green months for crypto back to back, which is pretty good to see. Now, I do believe that the month of July could end at a $1.3 trillion market cap for crypto overall. I do believe also that Bitcoin could get up to $32,000 this month. But, you know, as for XRP, it's tough to say whether this thing goes up to the dollar here this month or if we come back down to 56 cents. I have to lean a little bit more towards the 56-cent threshold, guys, because of what I believe is coming in August, September, which is a slight bit of downside just because of the FOMC meeting. I believe the Fed's going to raise the interest rates, and I believe that's going to affect the greater market overall. Of course, there is a chance that we touch this maybe this month and then kind of come back down to either this level or even to right around here where it seems to be consolidating right now. So we'll see how it plays out, guys. But that's my quick update for you guys today on a regulation front, on a price action front. Feeling good. Markets are a little calm today. Let's see how they play out throughout the course of the day and into the week, guys. That's all I got for you on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got to remember, folks, to DCA, HODL, and of course, we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.